Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with I-25 Kia. I'm out here today answering your questions, and YouTuber Dr. Mike Myers wants to know how fast the Forte will go 0 to 60. So I'm here with the 2020 Forte GT, and we're gonna take this on an acceleration test drive. It's really hard to find a spot to go 0 to 60 where you're not breaking any laws. There was only one place that I could think of that I could do this legally. Here, let's just go check it out. That's right, and this is the spot. I'm at the Wyoming-Colorado state line. It's really loud because Wyoming's windy and there's lots of traffic. You have this nice pull-off on the side of the road, and then the speed limit's 75, so let's do our first test. But man, look at that car. It's a nice car. All right, so buckle in. Safety is #1 priority with this test. Get in there. So I'm just gonna sit back and wait for a nice pocket of no traffic, and then we will go. I guess I should turn the car on. So the reason we're doing this test is Kia's new Forte is awesome. This is a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine. It has 201 horsepower and a very impressive driving feel. So since I have to cross the Wyoming state line and I have to come back over the Colorado state line, we're gonna do 2 tests. So on this first test going into Wyoming, we're just gonna have it in the normal drive mode to make sure I'm in the right drive mode. Cool. And here we go. Any second now. Here we go. And we're there. It is really fun to floor in this vehicle. So now I'm on the other side of the interstate. I'm at the Colorado state line, or the colorful Colorado sign. It's all the way over there. And I don't need to get out again because it's super windy and you're not gonna even understand me anyway. I'm parked this far back because I need that much of a runway to get up to 60, but here's the real test. Now we're gonna do this in the sports drive mode. I'm gonna go out on a whim and guess that it's gonna be faster. As we wait for my opportunity to go, I would like to give a big shout out to Dr. Mike Myers. I would like to extend an invitation for you guys to start a dialogue with me on the channel. If there's something you want to see or a question that you have about a Kia vehicle, just leave me a comment. I'd be glad to answer it, and I'm always looking for new things for content anyway, and this acceleration test is really fun. So once again, please like and subscribe, maybe shoot me a comment. All right, I think I have my opportunity, so buckle in again. I need to buckle in. Let's put this puppy in sports drive mode. Perfect. In 3, 2, 1. Stop. Nice, that one was so much faster. I think I made it to 60 before I even got on the interstate. You're gonna be very satisfied with the Forte's get up and go. It handles very nice. With the lane keep assist, I don't even need my hands on the wheel. Even though if my hands aren't on the wheel for a long period of time, the Kia is gonna tell me to grab the wheel again, like right now. But it has sensors on this car that are gonna read the white lines on the road. So as long as you have white lines, the car is gonna do its best effort to keep you in them. But I do not recommend to make that a habit. It is merely a safety feature. This is not an autonomous driving vehicle. Well, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any further questions about the 2020 Forte, go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia, or better yet, take advantage of the 24-hour home test drive. No matter where you're at in Colorado, we will deliver the vehicle to you. If you want to buy it, we'll bring over the paperwork, we'll go clean your vehicle, we'll bring it back, and the car is yours. I think you guys should all check out the 2020 Forte, the GT line, the GT manual transmission, the GT with the GT2 package. And I hope you guys enjoyed that acceleration test. Check back soon for more videos and have a great day. Bye.